Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, мое любимое время года, часть вторая, страница 54, 55, 56, 57. English, Starlight 2, my favorite season, homework, page number 54, 55, 56, 57. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 54, 54. Listen, point to the seasons and say, exercise number 1, color. Then point and say, look, it's spring. Мое любимое время года. Слушай, указывай на времена года и говори. Spring, summer. Autumn, winter. Посмотрите на картинки, затем укажите и скажите. Смотрите, сейчас весна. Look, it's spring. Look, it's summer. Look, it's autumn. Look, it's winter. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 55, 55. Exercise number 2. Listen and draw lines. Then say, Eleanor's favorite season is because she loves. Послушай и сопоставь. Затем скажи, любимое время года Эрлины, потому что она любит. Элина, what's your favorite season? Spring. Spring? Yes, my favorite season is spring. I love spring because I love flowers. Frosty, what's your favorite season? Winter. Winter? Yes, my favorite season is winter. I love winter because I love the snow. Alvin, what's your favorite season? Autumn. Autumn? Yes, my favorite season is autumn. I love autumn because I love the rain. Woody, what's your favorite season? Summer. Summer? Yes, my favorite season is summer. I love summer because I love the sun. The answer. Eleanor's favorite season is spring because she loves flowers. Frosty's favorite season is winter because she loves the snow. Alvin's favorite season is autumn because he loves the rain. Woody's favorite season is summer because he loves the sun. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Spring is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love spring because I love flowers. Spring is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love summer because I love the sun. Summer is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love autumn because I love the rain. Autumn is my favorite season. Winter is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love winter because I love the snow. Winter is my favorite season. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 56. 56. Exercise number 1. Listen to the dialogue and point to the pictures. Послушай диалог и укажи на картинки. What's the weather like today? It's hot and sunny. Let's go for a swim. Look, Woody, ice cream. 2 ice creams, please. Frosty, oh no. What's the matter? Look, poor Frosty. Alvin, Woody, come on. Oh, Frosty. Summer is my favorite season. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.